Gemini just released Nano and it's got to be the most powerful AI image creator and editor available today. It helps you create images from text, edit images, transfer style from one image to the other, and a lot more. You'll be shocked with the possibilities that image combination opens up. I know I am. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write Nano prompts that actually work, as well as show you a way that you can save and manage your prompts and use them whenever you need them. Let's get started. The number one most important thing to remember when writing prompts for Nano, describe the scene and don't just list keywords. This is important. The more detail you give, the better the results you'll get. Pretty simple. For example, let's say I want to generate a photorealistic image. First, I'll go to Gemini, click Create Image. Then you can insert your prompts. For this, I'm using a tool called TextBlaze that helps me customize and insert my saved prompts right into Gemini. Plus, I added cheat sheets in my prompts so that I don't have to remember all the different styles or shot types or lighting styles. Check the description for a link to my example prompts and try out TextBlaze. Now, I will customize my prompt and make sure there's plenty of detail, not just keywords. There's a lot of different shot types and lighting options to choose from, so narrow down which ones you want to use for this image that you're creating and add them to your prompt. Then you can give the prompt to Gemini and it will generate a pretty amazing image for you. This next tip for writing prompts is a 2-in-1. It's really helpful to provide context for the intent of your prompt. So what are you even using it for? That helps a lot. And when you do that, provide step-by-step instructions. Those two things can take your prompts to that next level. For example, if you want to recreate an image in a new style, you need to clearly explain in your prompts what you want to change. I have this prompt to help me change the style of an image, and let's say I want to change this skyline to make it a futurism style. I can use the prompt, insert it, give it to Gemini, and it'll help me change the style of the image pretty quickly. The next tip is to control the camera with your prompts. Might sound confusing, but it's actually pretty easy. So to do this, you use cinematic and photographic language to control the composition of the image that you're trying to create or edit. For example, you can control the angle of the camera by using keywords like eye level, top down, 45-degree angle, birds and worms eye view, 3/4 angle. Those kind of words really help you control the angle of the camera for the image. Or let's say you want to control the lighting in the image. You can use keywords like 3-point softbox, ring light, natural light, overhead backlighting, color gel, those types of things. This really helps you nail down in your prompts what the lighting for the image is going to be. Once you narrow down what kind of keywords you want to use in your prompt and how you're going to describe those, Nano can help you with advanced composition practices like combining images or editing images. For example, if there's an object or piece of clothing in an image you want to add to a different image or transfer over, you can use Nano to combine them. Though when you do this, make sure you attach both the images that you're referring to in your prompts, and then in your prompt, make sure you're very specific with what you're looking for. Alright, next tip, and this one really helps when you're using image combination with Nano. Use something called semantic negative prompts. What this means, instead of saying, don't include this person on the right side of the street, instead say, show an empty, deserted street with no signs of traffic. Using this kind of language and style of prompt writing really helps the AI understand what you're looking for and really generate the image that you're trying to picture here. And it's useful if you're combining two images together with Nano. I hope these tips actually helped you, and now you should be able to write prompts that actually work with Nano. If you're tired of manually typing prompts every time, don't forget to use TextBlaze to save, manage, and customize your prompts right in Gemini. Feel free to copy the prompts I use in this video by clicking the link in the description, and let us know what you think. Thanks.